it's Morgan from WTI, and I love this nail polish. This is from Sally Hansen. It's from the Insta Dry collection. This is the color Racing Rose. It is such a pretty pink color, really like a nice cool tone pink. This color will go with everything. It's just kind of like that perfect satiny color, and the pigment on this is so good. The brush quality is really great. It goes on super smoothly. The bristles are perfect. The Insta Dry collection goes on in one swipe. It dries in about 60 seconds, which is amazing. So it's really great for a quick manicure. If you're rushing out the door, it's a really great nail polish to have. Here it is with one coat, but if you want to do 2 coats, this is also what it looks like. I really love the color on this. It's super pretty. It goes on so easily. It looks great with a lot of different outfits, colors. It's a great neutral pink. I love this nail polish, and that's my point of view.